Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Prius maintenance light. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not a trip meter. Once confirmed, turn the ignition completely off. This sets up the car for the next steps. Now, locate your trip meter reset button, usually near the odometer. Press and hold this button firmly. While still holding it down, turn your ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button. You'll see a series of dashes appear, then eventually the odometer will display 5 zeros. This indicates the reset is in progress. Once you see the 5 zeros, you can release the trip meter button. Turn the ignition completely off, then turn it back to the on position to verify the maintenance light is gone. If the light is still illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to register correctly. This specific reset method is effective for many Toyota Prius models, helping you clear that pesky maintenance reminder. Remember, regular service is key to keeping your car running smoothly and avoiding unexpected warning lights. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.